Hello. Today I'm going to be walking you through the assignment 5.3, the chat application and all of its functionality. Up here we have four windows from three different HostWinds servers. Now this one up here in the top left, we are going to turn that into our server. And so just started listening. This one down here, we are going to turn that into a client, and the same with these two. So now we have three clients ready to listen, and let's say I want to join here. Now, this server has a client name specified in its client properties file. So you're going to see that it automatically joins me up as Cole. Now, these two, they do not have a client name specified in their properties file. So let's say I want to be John, right? Then now I'm John. And then over here, this one does not either, so it's going to ask for my name again, and I just want to be a user, right? So you can see over here that up in our server, it receives join messages, and then it says the user that joined and what socket they're on. And then for users that are already in the chat, they'll receive a message saying, oh, look, John joined the chat, or oh, look, a user joined the chat. And so I'm over here in this window, and as Cole, I would like to say hello to the new users. And when I say hello, the server receives a note message and then it sends it out to our other two clients, but not to the client that sent it. So we see here, John has Cole saying hello, and so does user. And so John wants to say hello back, and he wants to say hi, hey to everyone. So he says, hey guys. And same thing happens. You sent a note, server receives it, hey guys, hey guys. Now, um, finally, we have, maybe user doesn't want to be here anymore. So they say, all right, I'm going to say bye, and then I'm going to leave. And so we left the chat. User left the chat, user left the chat, and user left stock at second 7. And then, maybe they forget that they left and they say, hello, you must join first. Maybe they want to shut down. Okay, and you can do that. But then let's say that we want to, let's clear it first. Let's say we want to rejoin and join, and then we type in an existing user's name, so Cole. Error, you cannot join. And then just to confirm, we'll send a message. We must join first. So, okay, well now that that name is logged, now we have to leave again, so we have to do shut down. Well, before that, maybe he thinks shut down all. He must join to send that, so then he just does shut down. And then we exit, and so now we want to go back in and join, and then we want to do user 2. And so he's back as user 2, right? So user 2 joined the chat, user 2 joined the chat. And then let's say Cole has to leave for a bit, so he does leave, and then test, right, just to make sure. And then we do leave again, just to make sure that's not working. And so now we do join again, and it comes back in as Cole, and let's say he wants to say, I'm back. Comes through, I'm back, and then they can respond to him, cool, right? And then it comes through here. Um, and then let's say a user wants to exit, leave and shut down at the same time. So then we can make sure that our shutdown command does that. So kills it, exits, and close by peer, left the chat, left the chat. Perfect. So then we want to go back in and let's do client, join, and then John. We'll spell it like that this time. Successfully joined the server as John. So now, let's say one of the users who's joined would like to not just shut down himself, but shut down everyone, right? Um, so let's see here. Shut down all. When we get that, server requested to exit. We're done there, and exits everyone. So now, if we want to do just one more run through functionality, we can boot up the server, clear, and then the clients, now join, and then join, and then, well, yep, can't do that. So then we have to shut down, and then we can do that, join. Oh, put a space again there, join. All right, so John is back, and he says, hey, hey, and then we can, and we shut down, shut down. And that is a showcase of all the functionality of our chat program. So thank you for listening.